Hi viewers, welcome to my video. And in this video we are going to show you how to make a tutor account on solutioninn. Just follow these simple steps and please make sure you have education and credentials related document beforehand in soft form. Let's jump to this video. We are going to simply go on google.com and type solutioninn.com, and once we press enter, the related solution.com will be presented. We're going to click on the first result. There are two ways to register yourself as a tutor. One is just simply go and scroll to the bottom of the page where the tutor section is present and click there, or simply just click on the register section which is present on the navigation bar. We will go and register ourselves as a tutor from the navigation bar. Once click, a new page is open where the form is present. Since this page is open for the very first time, we are going to enter our details. I'm typing my email and password. We have to make sure that we follow all the parameter of a password that are present just below that. I will click and register myself as the tutor here. Once clicked, I will click on the join solution button. Now once clicked, I will redirect it to the add skill pages. Here I will add skill which match my proficiency in certain topics. Since I have a major in computer sciences, I will select topics which are related to the computer sciences. I will select web development, computer networks, and then I will check other subjects if these are topics matches my proficiency and talent. Uh, Well, again, I'm going come back to the computer science and going to click information system and mobile programming. Once selected, I will click on save and continue. Now I am redirected to the dashboard page. That is the very first page. Once you get basic registration on solution platform. Now at the right side you can see there is profile completion section where different entities are present through which our profile will be completed. For example, for adding description, 25% profile will be completed. I click that page. Now I am directed to the profile page where I'm going to enter my profile description and details. Now here I enter my screen name. Now I am going to enter my brief description that will be shown on upon my profile. Make sure your brief description, detailed description should be mis- should be mistaken free, and because it is going to be shown on your profile, it should be precise and should be related to the skill set you possess. Because whenever you're going to bid upon a certain project, the student which submitted that project is going to check your profile, and based upon that profile and your reviews is going to give you an order or going to ask you about your expertise. So make sure you write the description and detailed description without any mistake, without any grammatical mistake, and it should be to the point, matching your skill set. We are making sure that we have written every bit, each and bit of our that skill set that I possess in the detailed description section. Now, upon clicking saving it, I will go back to the dashboard. I just simply go and type dashboard of solution.com, or just simply click on the dashboard which dashboard button which is presently here. Either we are redirected to dashboard page. Now you have seen that our profile is 45% completed and the profile description is not been present. Now we are going to add our profile picture or add our education or add our experience, whatever you like, to make sure that our profile is completed. By clicking the projects, by clicking the tutors, we are redirected to the page where all the tutors are present. Once we are approved, here are some tutors. Or if we want to see how which projects are being present, we go to the projects list. Since we haven't completed our profile completely and we are not registered ourselves as a tutor completely, it will redirect it to the tutor page, and where we here enter our details. I type Simon Catholic, then I will change my country, then I will enter other personal details as well. I am going to type down my personal details. Once I have entered that, I will go to next page where all the education details are being present. I will select the country through in which I did my bachelor's in computer science, and I will type down the university name. I will enter my session, and once entered, I am going to save my educational details. Then I'll add my uh, professional details. Here I will enter my designation name, organization name. I will write down the job description here. Write down the professional details as much as to the point, because it is going to make impact upon your profile and your tutor application. Since I am currently working here, I will select the I'm currently working here, and I'm been currently working here since 2015. I add experience. I can simply delete the edit experience by clicking on the dustbin icon, or I can edit on one of these edit icons in order to edit details. Once I click save and continue, I will redirect it to another page where I have to select the skills which my skill set. Since I have a computer science major, I will select the computer sciences. And the earlier we added the skill set are basically for the profile completion, and this the ones we are now adding the skill sets are basically for the tutor profile application. I have selected all the subcategories. Now at this page we have to upload identification documents so that our profile can be registered and we are authentic. We will select an document from the drop down, and against that selection we are going to attach our documents. Here I am attaching some of the photos. Of course these are not the original one, but this is for the sample purposes only, so that you will come to know that which kind of documents are going to be attached. Upload picture in this particular format which has been shown, where your ID card is shown in your hand. Select a picture with ID card in your hand. Since I don't have it and I am doing it just for the community purposes, I will add any sample photo, but you have to attach a photo in which the ID card is present in your hand, your face and ID card are being in focus. Now for the skill verification purposes, I will add a photo which is my degree, and I will add the photo of my degree. Or you can simply attach the PDF of your degree or any skills or any drop down option which is be present. Add another. I have added an item. We are making sure that we attach all the items. Now press and save and continue. Now in this last section, we are going to enter a brief introduction and profile description. This is quite familiar. You might have been quite familiar with that because we have done in our simple profile creation. We are now just going to enter some of the details as a brief introduction and profile description of a tutor profile. The profile description or the brief introduction must be to the point and should be grammatical error free, because it is going to, and these words are going to represent your tutor profile. The good the words, the better your profile is, and the better the chances that you can secure more and more projects on solutioninn.com. This is a sample profile introduction profile design that I am writing. Once we press save and finish, we will be directed to the page where uh, it is shown that our application is submitted and we will be responded for our tutor application before 25th December 2018. And if we haven't heard from them after 25th December, we can simply click on contact us button, which is contact us link, which is present in this page. Once your profile has been going in submission, you will receive an email, and please make sure to check your email before and after 25th December, or in your case whatever the designated uh, date is, to check the current status of your email. You can simply come back and come back on this link to see the status of your current application, whatever the your state in which your application state is, it is going to be present within your email. So please check your email, and if you have any question and query, please comment down in the comment section. If you need any other help related to the solution, you can also put it down in the comment section. See you soon. Goodbye.